Happy Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Taking a look at the weather map this afternoon, and things remain very warm and wet out there. Things are quite busy up towards the northern half of the state, where a mixed bag of precipitation is causing some impacts. A freezing rain advisory and a winter storm warning is in effect mainly for the lower Yukon Valley and up towards the Norton Sound area. And this is mainly in effect until about 3 p.m. on Wednesday, up to potentially 0.2 inches of ice, so 0.2 of an inch of ice, heaviest west of Galena, and that could cause some impacts for traveling and to power lines, so be advised. Also, we have a winter weather advisory in effect for the north slope, the Arctic slope, for blowing snow and some falling snow, 1 to 3 inches of new snow. And this is all contributed because of a strong jet stream moving from south to north across the state, which will reinforce rain along the southern coastal areas of the state and southeast. As we go into tonight, we'll start to see that rain slide from south to north, mainly south of Sitka now, but it will make its way all the way up to Chilkoot and White Pass. We do expect higher elevations to remain snow from White Pass over to Thompson Pass, and then as we get towards the Alaska Range, some snow for those areas there. Otherwise, it'll continue to be freezing rain for the western portions of the state and some rain as you get down towards Bristol Bay. Snow showers out over the Bering Sea as the system moves, weather pattern moves from north to south out there. But another system out further to the west will start to make a slow change in the pattern as we go through the week. By Wednesday, freezing rain will continue for that western portion of the state, and so thus the advisory and the warning are in effect again until 3 p.m. Wednesday. For the Alaska Range, expect strong winds, so we do have a high wind warning and a high wind advisory out for those areas from south to north. Expect southerly winds gusting through the Alaska Range. For Wednesday, expect moderate to heavy rain along the Gulf Coast through Yakutat, parts of Valdez, and stretching back towards Juneau. And blowing snow will continue for the Arctic coastline north of the Brooks Range. By Thursday, things finally start to quiet down a little bit. We'll still have some falling snow up along the Arctic coastline, but just scattered snow showers across the interior as the precipitation finally changes to all snow and starts to relax a little bit. Southeast Alaska is where the heaviest rain will still be found as an occluded front moves on shore there. And then as we look towards south central Alaska, things remain mostly dry except along the Gulf Coast where another weak area of low pressure starts to push some rain into the eastern Kenai Peninsula. Then finally out towards the west, another system starts to move in, which should hopefully change our pattern. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller.